Hello everyone, I am Samuel from the craftable.pro team, and today we will continue with our training backend project built using craftable.pro. In our last video, we created a CRUD for trainings. As you might recall from our video on the database structure of this project, each training will have exercises. Each exercise, in addition to having a title and text, will also have a duration and a relation to one of the trainings. Like the training table, the title and text will be translatable. In this video, we will once again create our CRUD using wizard mode. The focus will be on how to create relationships using this mode. We won't delve into the details of the wizard mode as it was covered in the previous video. If you haven't seen it, I suggest watching it to clearly understand what is going on. On the listing page, we want to see the title. We also want to display the training each exercise belongs to, so we will select the training ID column as well. When we define the relations, craftable.pro will automatically replace the training ID with its name. We will also add training ID to our sorting options, along with ID and title. We want all columns to be editable, so we will simply press enter. We want both the title and text fields to be translatable. We also want to have the ability to upload a cover photo, so when asked about media, we will type cover and specify that it is of the image type. Now, here comes the interesting part. Establishing the relationship. When asked if we want to add a relation, we will type yes. craftable.pro generator currently supports two types of relations, belongs to and belongs to many. We decided that exercises will be specific to individual trainings. Therefore, in our case, we want each exercise to belong to exactly one training, which requires using the belongs to relationship. If you want to reuse exercises across multiple trainings, you would need to create a pivot table exercise training to connect exercise IDs with training IDs and use the belongs to many relationship. Next, we will be asked the name of the related model. In our case, it will be the model training. We need to choose what foreign key in the exercises table references the trainings table. If we hop into our migration file for exercises, you can see that we have defined training ID as the foreign key that references the training in the training table. And craftable.pro is smart enough to suggest this column, so all you need to do is to hit enter. Consequently, we will be asked to choose the primary column in the training table, which is the column that is referenced by the training ID column in the exercises table. In most cases, it will simply be the column ID. The last step is to choose the attribute that will represent the training model in the exercises form. craftable.pro will generate a select box where we will be able to choose the related training. We choose the column title, and as a result, the select box will be filled with training titles, from which we will be able to choose the one we want. We don't need to define any other relationships, so the answer to the next question is no. The final question will again be whether we want to generate also the export function, to which we can again choose yes to demonstrate its function. After a successful generation, we need to rebuild the assets. We'll now head over to our admin panel to explore the newly generated admin module for exercises. Here, I'll add a new exercise. Notice the input called training, where we can choose a training from the list of trainings. After saving, the new exercise will appear in our listing, where we can further edit or delete it.
So today you learned how to generate CRUD with relations. In our next video we will generate CRUD for users, but this time instead of using wizard mode, we will use command options. We will also establish a belongs to many relationship and finalize the basic CRUD for our app. So see you next time.